Baby, 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 I think I wanna marry you. Hi, beautiful people. Higher, higher, higher. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is a collaboration, just as the title says. It's a date night Valentine inspired makeup look, and I have collaborated with 7 other amazing ladies here on the tube to bring you this Valentine inspired makeup look. Before I even mention their names, guys, there's a super cool group I belong to, and in this group we share a lot of tips and also help each other grow with our channels. So guys, if you'd like to be among the super cool group, let me know in the comment section below. And guys, some of the people I collaborated with are from this super cool group, and they are the tall black chick. I also collaborated with Sophisticated Demi. I also collaborated with Tina Fey. If you also collaborated with HD Signature HD. I collaborated with Dumebi Leah. I also collaborated with Dorcas Additional. I also collaborated with Mizzy Pro. Mizzy Pro is a wizard in Valentine. Christine Udo. Christine is an amazing voice artist. Her voice is so good, and she's the one responsible for the sound that I am using in this video. So guys, when you're done, please head over to their channels and watch their own interpretation of this collaboration. Do let them know that Niela sent you when you're in their comment section below. I'm going to drop the links of these amazing people in my description box below. Don't forget to check out their channel. So guys, let's get into the video. So guys, I'm going to be starting this makeup tutorial. This date night, this date night, you have to, you have to shine, you have to glow. Like, you need to let everybody notice you. And with that, I'm going to be using my Royal Makeup all over body glow oil to glow, I'm just going to generously apply this on my skin, but before then I'm going to be moisturizing with the Black Opal Even True oil-free moisturizer. And I'm going to just distribute it on the highest point of my face. My heart is bleeding. I need you now. So I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to quickly do my eyebrows, and I'm going to be back. So guys, don't go anywhere. Guys, I've gone ahead and I've done my eyebrow off camera, and the next thing I want to do is to go into the eye look, which is like the main thing about this tutorial. So I'm basically going to be starting off with a transition color, but before then I'm going to be using a concealer all over my eyelid. I'm sure you've seen me do that a zillion and one times on this channel. I'm going to be using my concealer all over my eyelid, and I'm going to be going in with these two. So these two shades here, I'm going to be going in with these two shades all over my crease line. This is going to act as my transition color. So for the next color is this color from my MOF 3502 Second to Nature palette. I'm going to go in with the black from the same eyeshadow palette. Crazy, right? From the Allure Magnet palette, and I'm going to be concentrating this on my outer crease. I'm going to go in with this brush just to soften it. So the next thing I want to do is I'm going to be cutting my crease real quick, and I'm going to come back. Cause I need you to see that you are the reason, yeah, you are the reason. I'm going to be taking this color here. This color here, and I'm going to be using a flat eyeshadow brush like so, and I'm going to be applying this all over the cut crease. So the next thing I want to do is to apply glitters, and I'm going to be using this glitter. I'm going to be applying it slightly all over this eyeshadow I cut. So I'm going to be using the silver in this palette, and I'm just going to be slightly applying this on my eyeshadow. Getting lost in it, I won't give up without a fight. I just wanna ooh, baby. And to top it off, I'm going to be taking this bronze gold glitters as well, just slightly tapping the bowl. No one will know. Oh, come on, boy. So guys, that completes the eye look. I am going to go ahead and do my eyeliner, wear my lashes, do my mascara, and I will weekly do my foundation routine because I have an updated foundation routine. So I'll be back. Another thing I want to do is to spray my glow mist all over my face after my primer. So guys, I went ahead and I did my highlight contour. I set my face, and I'm going to finish the entire look with you guys, and I'm going to be going with my powder shade. This is my powder shade, and I'm going to be using the same buffing brush I use for my concealer to buff this into my skin. The next thing I want to do is to spray my entire face with a fixed spray. So for lipstick, since it's a date night, and it'd be nice for you to go with a matte lipstick, ensure that you apply a lip balm before you do your lipstick application. So guys, I changed my mind. I cleaned my entire lips and I went ahead and I wore nude lipstick because my eye is already busy, so I don't want like extra drama. So I'm just going to keep this look like this, and I'm going to go wear my wig, and I'm going to come back to show you the finished look. Hey baby, I think I want to marry you. Well, I feel like I should know. Shut up, Patron.